Hi, I'm Mark Weiss. I'm excited about meeting you virtually on October 23rd at SoMeDocs Entrepreneurship and Networking in Healthcare 2 conference. You and I are going to explore structuring medical group governance. Governance, okay, I get it. Most physicians creating entities don't think deeply about governance. Well, that is, until it's too late. For a medical group of more than a handful of owners, its governance structure is, by analogy, its operating system. It's the backbone around which its business functions. It impacts the relationship among its owners, as well as the relationship between the entity and the outside world. Do it right, and it brings strength and longevity to your enterprise. Do it wrong, and it saps your group of energy and eventually of its existence. The topic is essential, and I guarantee you the presentation is going to be interesting, actionable, and even fun. See you there on October 23rd.